Follow me.
Is that the satellite core?
That's right. The reflector panels on the mirror gun aren't the only thing we got from the satellite. We also have the core and, of course, the Dagger.
So they're all composed of the exact same alloy and contain the same dark matter levels?
Yep.
So if the mirror gun works on the core, then it should work on Cicada's Dagger.
Only one way to know for sure. You might want to step back. We shouldn't be firing this. Here we go.
Something supposed to happen? Or... Where did it go?
It doesn't matter. This thing works.
It works. We can finally destroy Cicada's Dagger.